Is it on? Okay, Zoro, what are we doing here, Zoro?
Well, I heard they're gonna have fireworks, and all the other shot had to get the good seats. But they said that there was only 8 spots, so the 2 people had to stay in the crappy seats, and that's us.
How is that possible?
I know, right?
But where are the fireworks gonna be at?
Well, it didn't start yet, Luffy. But it's gonna be way up in the sky. It's like that one filler episode.
One filler episode. One filler.
The one with Usopp and the people making fireworks.
Oh yeah, I think I remember that episode.
Yeah, now I just gotta sit back, relax. And
why are these cars here?
Because this is for everybody. Everyone wants to see the fireworks.
But do you guys driver's license?
No.
No?
Dude, we're pirates.
Oh yeah. We don't even know what cars are.
Exactly. So, just sit
we
back and
ride ships.
Yeah, but let's just sit back and relax.
Yeah. Hey Zoro, are you excited?
No.
Wait, where'd he go? Zoro. You're gonna come back up, aren't you? Zoro. I can see you.
No, you can't.
I can see you. You're not invisible.
Yes.
You're not.
I was never here. Misdirection.
What are you talking about? Zoro, come back here. Zoro. Okay. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go find a new swordsman now.
I'm gonna kill you.
Wait, no.
You won't end up like the fool who ripped his pants. The end.
Zoro, it's 11:45. It's about to start now.
Wow. Oh, guess we gotta start that.
What do you mean?
Because I need some booze.
But there's no booze here. We didn't buy any.
Yeah, that's why you gotta start.
What?
That's why you gotta start packing.
What do you mean by that? No. The fireworks are start. It should start eventually. It's 11:29.
They're late.
It should start by now, but there's nothing over there.
I'm gonna piss in your desk if it doesn't start in the next few seconds.
Wait, but Zoro, I got a question.
What?
Why is it always you and me going to places?
I don't know.
Why didn't you bring the rest of the squads with us?
The crew is just boring. The rest of the crew is just boring.
What's
Sir, they're already 2 minutes late. What's up with these fireworks, man? They're 2 minutes late.
Yeah, bro. Like, why?
I'm gonna sue this joint. Sue.
Sue the joint.
Yeah.
You're gonna sue people now.
Yeah. And then for payment, they have to give me. Oh, it started.
Started. Yo, look at that. Look at that, Zoro.
Oh
It's starting.
And it's not as loud as it was. I mean, last time when I saw fireworks, it was so loud. And this one, that was just one.
Because we're not even close.
That was just one.
We're not close.
Oh my God, there's more.
We're supposed to be. Oh, wow, it's getting loud now, Zoro. Wow.
Good stuff.
That is good stuff.
Yeah.
That is good stuff.
But the crew at the front seats, it must be so loud for everybody else right now.
Yeah, but they can barely hear anything.
Oh shoot. Yeah, totally.
They're still going.
Wow.
It's It's over. It's over, Zoro. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! Zoro, what do you think of the fireworks, Zoro?
That was so great.
Yes, it was so great.
I fell asleep like halfway.
Are you serious, Zoro?
Yeah.
You serious?
Let's go home, Luffy.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Let's go home then. I guess I'm gonna have to find a new swordsman now. Ah.